finally, we are going to start left hand exercises. Let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 says the finger number says 1 on the top of G, first note. Please remember, left hand fingering system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb is 1. Thumb is the first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and fifth finger. So you are going to place thumb, left hand thumb, HL stands for left hand thumb on G. And second finger on, this is a new note, F. I am going to play that exercise. Repeat. Now we'll play number 2. First finger on G again. Again, E is another new note starting this page. F and E. Remember, F and E. Not those F and E. Those F and E are on the higher space and a higher line. The top line is F right here. First space note on the top is E right here. Those look different. F and E. I will play number 3. This time E, and it says the third finger on E. So third finger on E. I am sure you can practice the rest of them by yourself.